Hello everyone, my name is Sinta Savitri, and today I would like to present my research entitled is a corpus-based discourse analysis of skincare advertisement on Instagram. This study examines the persuasive language used in Instagram skincare advertisement and explore how language contracts beauty representation through a corpus-based discourse analysis approach. So, first, I would like to explain the background of this study. Today, social media has become one of the most important platforms for communication and marketing. Instagram is widely used by companies to advertise and promote their product. Among the many products advertised on Instagram, skincare products are especially popular. Advertisers use persuasive language to attract consumers and influence their purchasing decision. Words such as glow, bright, healthy, and smooth frequently appear in skincare advertisement. This expression not only promotes product but also helps set beauty standard and consumer perception of the beauty. Therefore, it is important to analyze how language is used in this advertisement. The next slide is research problems. Okay, based on the background, this study addresses two research questions. The first one, what persuasive language patterns are found in skincare advertisement on Instagram? And the second, how do these persuasive language patterns construct meaning and representation of beauty in skincare advertisement on Instagram? Alright, accordingly, the objective of this study are to identify and analyze persuasive language pattern and to examine how this pattern construct meanings and a beauty representation. Okay, the next slide is the grain theory. The grain theory used in the study is discourse analysis, particularly the theory proposed by Norman Fairclough in 1995. According to Fairclough, language is a form of social practice. Language does not simply reflect reality, but it also shapes reality. Discourse help construct social identities, social relationship, and a system of knowledge and belief. In the context of advertising, language influences how consumers think about beauty and skincare products. Therefore, discourse analysis is useful for understanding the meaning behind advertising language. Alright, the next is this study combines corpus linguistic and corpus-based analysis. According to Hamzal, corpus-based analysis examines authentic language data, uses a data-driven approach, and identifies recurring language patterns. The benefit of corpus analysis include frequency analysis, collocation analysis, and concordance analysis. For this research, I used Encan, a corpus analysis software developed by Lauren Anthony. The tools used in Encan are the first one is word list tool, which identify high frequency word. The next is concordant tools, which show keyword in context. And next, collocation tool, which identifies recurring word combination. Alright, the next slide is previous studies and research gap. Previous studies mainly focuses on the marketing and visual aspect of skincare advertisement. However, corpus-based analysis of persuasive language patterns are still limited. Therefore, this study fills that gap by applying corpus-based discourse analysis to investigate persuasive language, frequency patterns, collocation, and a beauty representation in Instagram skincare advertisement. Okay, the next is description of data source. The data for this study were collected from Instagram skincare advertisement. The sources include advertisement from skincare brands such as Skintific, Indonesia, and Wardah. or G2G. The collected data consists of caption, slogans, product claims, and promotional phrases. The corpus used in this study is a DIY corpus or do-it-yourself corpus, and all data were saved in text file format before being analyzed. Okay, the next is research procedure. The research procedure consists of several steps. The first one is Instagram advertisement were collected, and the next, caption and slogans were gathered and compiled into a DIY corpus. The next, the corpus was approached into Encom, and then frequency analysis, concordant analysis, and collocation analysis were conducted, and finally, the findings were interpreted using discourse analysis to understand the representation of beauty in skincare advertisement. Alright, the next slide is analysis of persuasive word. Now we will discuss the findings in the study. The frequency analysis showed that the word skin is the most frequent word, appearing 65 times. Other frequent words include glow, acne, bright, fresh, and healthy. These findings indicate that skincare advertisement mainly focus on skin appearance and condition. The frequent use of this word suggests that beauty is represented as a healthy, glowing, bright, and a problem-free skin. The next slide is concordance analysis. The concordant analysis showed that persuasive words are usually combined with positive beauty-related expression. Advertisements often describe ideal skin as glowing, bright, fresh, and healthy. Meanwhile, the word acne is commonly used to highlight skin problem and present skincare product as solution. This language pattern influences how consumers perceive beauty and skincare. Alright, the next slide is the collocation analysis. The collocation analysis reveals several requiring word combination. For example, in this study, bright skin, glowing skin, glass skin, and white skin, and then natural glow and fresh glow, and then instantly bright, treat acne, fresh look. Nah, these collocations are dominated by positive and persuasive expression. They construct an ideal beauty image characterized by glowing, bright, fresh, and acne-free skin, which help attract consumer and increase interest in skincare product. Alright, representation of beauty. Based on the corpus findings, beauty is represented through several key concepts, such as healthy skin, glowing skin, bright skin, fresh skin, acne-free skin. The evidence comes from the high frequency of positive beauty-related words and repeated collocation, such as glass skin, glowing skin, natural glow, and instantly bright. From Fairclough perspective, language is not only used to promote product, but also to shape beauty standard and consumer perception. As a result, Instagram skincare advertisement contract beauty as healthy, radiant, and flawless skin. Okay guys, next we move to discussion on this study. The discussion highlight 4 main findings. The first one is persuasive words frequently appear in skincare advertisement. And the second one, advertiser use positive vocabulary to attract consumer. And third, the problem solution strategy can be seen through the use of the word acne. The fourth, repeated expression contribute to the construction of beauty ideals. From the perspective of discourse analysis, language functions not only as a promotional tool, but also as a means of shaping social meaning and beauty standard. Alright, the next slide is conclusion. In conclusion, this study found that Instagram skincare advertisement use persuasive language to promote beauty ideals. Frequent word and collocation such as glow, bright, fresh, and glowing skin represent beauty as healthy, radiant, and acne-free skin. These linguistic patterns do not only promote skincare product but also influence consumer perception of the beauty. Okay guys, thank you for your attention. Bye bye. I am Sinta Savitri.